Hey, to update your Redmi Watch 4, for sure you can do this, but first of all, just remember to charge your watch for at least 50% of the battery. And next, you will have to actually use the Mi Fitness application on your smartphone. So turn on this application, and the next thing you have to go into your device. Then you will have to scroll down, and you will have to find update function. On your smartphone, you have to be also connected with your watch. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And as you can see from here, I've got the new update. So all I have to do is just to click to download. Now we can follow this downloading process on this bar. So it goes pretty fast. After a few seconds, we get 100%. And now we have to wait for the synchronization process. It will be a little bit longer, but it still goes really fast. After this, you can just click to sync to device. And additionally, if something goes wrong, you can simply turn off your watch and turn off your smartphone and turn them on. Basically, just restart your devices. And after this, everything will be fine. So now we can follow this updated right here on the phone and on your watch. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.